Hey, the engine's back on there.
The engine is back on the mb5.
Well,
And
it has been reassembled. I mean, that's no small feat.
And the remaining things to do before an attempted first start are add oil, hook up the battery, and what was the other thing? Oil, battery, maybe change the plug boot. Plug boot's a little loose on the spark plug.
I had spark with it before, though.
All right. Okay, the remaining things are add oil and put the battery on and add gas.
And see if we can get some fire.
And see if we can get some fire. So that's the update. And then I need to correct something on the shifter mechanism that we corrected between the last video and this one. We corrected it already, but I did not correct it on video. So we'll cut to that now. And we've cut to that now. So here is the clutch side of the engine, and you'll see with the arrow labeled number 2, that spring should be rotated 90 degrees clockwise so that the lever that attaches to it, that arrow 1 is pointing to, presses down against the shift drum cam plate, which is what arrow 3 is pointing to. So that lever, powered by the spring, puts pressure against the shift drum cam plate to help you shift the gears. So that was my mistake, and nobody caught it. At least if they caught it, they did not mention that. And obviously that spring to the left of the bigger spring, I think I indicated in the video, that goes around and attaches up at the top for the kickstart mechanism. And then here is a page from the manual, hopefully showing you how the stopper arm and the return spring should be positioned against the shift drum cam plate so that it properly shifts. So made a mistake there, wanted to correct it. You know, these things happen. So we did that. And then hopefully we'll have a first start attempt shortly. I know many of you have been requesting this on almost an hourly basis, but you know, have patience, stay tuned, we'll get there, and hopefully have this thing running. Thanks for watching.